Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, we are actually discussing about number instance methods. So in this video, we'll discuss about Number.prototype.valueOf. Let's jump into the code. So in the previous videos, we already covered about these 5 number methods. So today in this video, we'll discuss about Number.prototype.valueOf method. So what actually it means? It is telling that it returns the wrapped primitive value of a number object. What actually it means? So I will explain you here. So I will create let x. Okay. For that I will create new number. In that number I will pass any kind of number, like I will pass 20. Okay. Then I will console that. You know what I am doing? I hope you understood that what I am trying to do. Okay, x comma type of x also I will print. Okay, so what you can expect? So it is printing that x value number. Okay, it is and its data type is object, because we have used this new constructor and we are passing this 20 in this number constructor. So that's why it is created an object. So now that object is this one number. So into that, and in that we have this value 20, right? This one. Okay. Then let y equal to x dot value of. Okay. Now what I will do is y comma type of, I will pass y. Okay. What will happen? We'll see. Now same, we are getting this number value in a object format and we are getting that data type is object. All this is about x value. Okay, and this is y value 20. So we are getting 20 in a number format. Okay, and the data type is number. So do you got anything from this? What actually happening with this value of method? So it is converting any of the object to into primitive data type. Do you understood my what I'm telling? So it is converting whatever the object is there into the primitive data type. Okay, this is the uh, this primitive data type is number. So that's why it is converting into number data type. I hope you understood about this value of method. Thank you.